Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode here of Avengers in Trading. Today is Saturday, September 12th, and we have wrapped up a week of pretty much a bearish market, and we want to just have an update on what's going on. So today I'm going to be covering the popular ones that I've been into: Tesla, Apple, Neo, Workhorse, AMD, Intel, and Spaq. You know, there's plenty of other ones out there, but these are the ones that I've been kind of watching and covering lately. So let's go through Tesla. You know, in the 1 hour, it looks like it's trying to bounce right now. So it has bounced from 333 and it's hanging around 372 right now. So that is a pretty nice bounce. If you look at here on the 90-minute, it's trying to pop up too, but on the 4 hour, it's still below here. So just watch out for this. I'm hoping for a double bottom, which means that it might pop back down to around the 330 area and then pop back up. So that would be the stronger move. But if not, you know, just watch it to continue trying to move up. But like I said, you know, you just got to be careful right now. I think we are in a not in a full bearish trend, but we are in some kind of correction. So just be wary about that, especially when this 4 hour right here is below the zero line right here. So just tread carefully. But otherwise, I mean, I know some guys got hurt out there. That's I think a 20-30% drop right here. So if you look at this, and the sucky part is it gapped down too. While they were selling off, they kept on gapping down. So if you didn't have like pre-market hours, you know, selling, then you probably would have got hurt, you know, when the market bell opened, because it just gapped down so hard. So yeah, it dropped as low as 30% right here. But right now we're around the minus 24% from that all-time high. So if you happen to catch it, you know, if you happen to buy it around the 500, 480 mark, you know, eventually in time, in theory, we're supposed to pop back up, right? I mean, we all know that, but you know, we don't know how much of a sell-off that we're going to continue doing. So right now it's pop, you know, up and then down, and then right now it looks like we're going to consolidate right here and either pop down some more, or we're going to move back up towards the 500. But we'll see. It all depends on this. You just got to watch it closely. Be careful. You know, 90-minute, it does look like it's trying to pop up right here. You know, the MACD has crossed over right here. So the only thing you can do is just play these bounces. And if it starts changing and start turning red again, then you just got to tread carefully and either sell out and wait for a lower price, or just hang in there and try to, you know, buy another dip. That's all I got to say about Tesla. On to the next one. Apple. As you know, along with Tesla, Apple sold off too. A lot of the tech stocks have sold off pretty drastically. This one I don't think is as bad as Tesla, but you know, let's see what kind of percentage drop it was here. From here all the way down here, it's about a 17-18% drop. So it looks like we're still in sell-off mode. As you can see on the 4 hour, it's still strong going down. So you just got to be careful. You can see there. I mean, you want to see more green on the 4 hour. Right there, look at that. It's trying, it's trying to do something right now. It's trying to pop up, but I don't see it going on right now, because if you look at the 1 hour, it popped back down again. So it tried to move up here and then pop down. So overall in the 4 hour, it shows you nothing but red going down. So that's a downtrend. So so I'd be careful about trying to buy a bounce right now. You'd probably want to wait at least, for the 90-minute or 2 hour to start showing some kind of pop up above the zero line. It crosses up here, and then that would show a stronger bounce up. But right now, just tread carefully. Again, Tesla looks like it's rebounding stronger, because at least the 4 hour is showing some green, but on the 4 hour of Apple, it's not showing any kind of green whatsoever. So just tread carefully. But on to the next one, I'm gonna go to Neo. As you guys know, Neo has been strong. We did have a nice move up here, all the way up to the 20 something dollar area, the $21 area. So that was nice. But right now we're going through a consolidation or sell off or correction, whatever you want to call it. But no matter what, you know, it's at $18 right now. And as you can see here, is nothing but red on the 4 hours. So just got to be careful about that, about trying to buy the bounce. But if you look here in the 90-minute, maybe it's trying to cross up. On the 1 hour, it's already crossed up right here. So we might be done with the sell-off, and we might start continue, you know, moving up now again. So from $18, it's hanging around $18. So that might be the area that people might want to buy it and pop it back up to $20 area. But yeah, as you can see here, 90 minutes trying to pop up. This has crossed up already, but it doesn't mean that it's done selling off. So just got to be careful. But right now it does look like this 17 and a half, $18 area is support for now. It can break down, of course. Remember, the market is just like the weather. It can break down some more, but for now, this is the support. But just be careful about this 4 hour right here. It's nothing but red lately. Okay. All right. So on to the next one is Workhorse. Workhorse has been strong lately because of some news that Hitachi has some kind of contract with them that they're going to be working together. So of course on the 4th we had that news and it popped up really nicely all the way from $18 all the way up to $24. So that's where we're at right now. So just be careful right now. Now we are consolidation phase, so just look for another move up right here, and hopefully it will continue moving up. But if not, just be careful, and they might continue selling it off. So just got to be careful because this could be doing this right here, right there. Okay, and then of course you see this downward trend. But as long as it stays above here, we're okay for now. Okay, as long as it stays above the 0, we're okay for now. But you never could know when, you know, the market makers could start dumping on you. You just got to be careful, okay? But right now, it looks like MACD is trying to cross up right here. So just look for a Monday or Tuesday for it to cross up, and it might continue moving up to, who knows, 24, 25, 26 bucks, you know? But if not, get ready for a move down. So, all right, on to the next one here, AMD. AMD tried to move up past the $90 mark, but of course, you know, with technology, it has been selling off lately with the tech stocks. So no matter what, whether you're AMD or Fastly or Ultrix or any other tech stocks, a lot of them have sold off. So you just got to be careful about what's going on in the market. So I know people are saying buy the dip, but if it keeps on dipping on you, that's hard to continue, you know, keep on buying. So as you can see on the 1 hour, it tried to move up right here, but since we're in the downtrend, it couldn't even move above the 0 line. It moved right back down. So yes, we're in a sell-off phase. But yeah, that's why you want a confirmation pop-up. You know, if it crossed the 0, it would have popped up, and then that way you hop on and then ride the sideways phase right here, and then it moves back up. But it's not the case. So you can see here we're below the 0 on the 90-minute as well, and then of course on the 4 hour we're below the 0. So just tread carefully on this as well with AMD. Look for another bounce, but right now it doesn't look like it's bouncing right now. It tried to bounce off this $76 area, but it's continuing to sell off under that. So it might try to bounce right here, but we'll see. We just need a little bit more confirmation to move up this way, but right now it's red. Okay, so let's go on to the next one here, Intel. Okay, as you know, Intel did try to make some kind of comeback a few weeks ago, but unfortunately they've been selling off too. So you can see here, nothing but down right here. So from 52 all the way down to 49 right now. As you can see, yeah, it's downtrend. This is downtrend as well. This is trying to move up above, but I just, the selling pressure lately has been just so crazy with the tech stocks. So just tread carefully with all these. Look for a good bounce area, but right now, if you look here, it's nothing but red. It's the same pattern with all these tech stocks. 4 hour, we're below the zero now. We're in bear territory. Maybe this might signify a double bounce right here. I would love it to be like this. If this was a double bounce, that's what I would be looking for. But that doesn't guarantee, just because I'm looking for it, it doesn't guarantee that it's going to do that. So you just got to watch it continuously and look for that confirmation pop up. But as you can see here, we got rejected right here in the 1 hour. They try to move up right here, and then it continued moving down right here. So, but this could be support. You never could know. All right, so the next one I want to go through is Spaq. Spaq has been very strong lately. If you look here, we've been gradually moving up. Once this crossed the 4 hour mark right here on the August 24th, we've been gradually moving up all the way up to 15. It even wicked off $16. So it's showing some strength. I think people are buying into it. If you look here on the 90 minutes, nothing but above the green, above the zero line right here, nothing but green. And then this right here, even though it's chopping red and green like this, it's still staying above the zero line. So right now we're okay. But I think look for a little correction, maybe coming down here around the 14.5, and then look for it to move back up again. So, but that's what would be looking for, is around the 14.5 maybe. But who knows? I mean, we could continue the rocket up here because people are wanting this whole Fisker thing, electric vehicle thing. So people might continue buying the hype,